We're in Cambodia.
Good morning. So we are getting ready for our first day at Angkor Wat.
We were spending 6 days in total in Siem Reap. If you're looking for other things to do, we'll link that video below.
We've already arranged a driver.
We were picked up on time and went straight to the Angkor Wat ticket office. This is actually about 15 minutes from the main temple. Allow 5 to 10 minutes to collect your ticket as they're printed with your photo on them. You can also buy them online via the Cambodia app. We bought a 3-day pass for $62 each and then headed in straight away.
This is the largest religious structure in the world, with the temple complex actually made up of 72 temples and about 1,000 built over the Angkor region. While Angkor Wat is the most iconic temple, the term is also used to refer to the entire complex in Siem Reap.
We booked with a local tuk-tuk driver named Voleak, based purely on the photos he'd posted to his Facebook page. It was clear he had an eye for photography, passion for the area, and great communication while arranging the trip. We asked to be taken to some of the smaller, lesser-known temples for great photo spots, plus somewhere local for lunch. Although he was a little more expensive than other drivers, we hoped that he would find the photo opportunities we'd seen in his social media. We made a quick stop at the north gate, with Voleak showing us a path to the top of the temple with a close-up of the iconic faces.
Sound of the birds and the nature around, and not people.
Next up was Preah Khan. Preah meaning holy or sacred, this is one of the more impressive temples in the park. You'll find delicate carvings at every turn, and the crumbling rocks are slowly being consumed by tree roots. Our next temple found us walking across a beautiful lake filled with water lilies and bird life. It seemed quite busy, but we soon found out most people only walk far enough to get a nice photo and not to the actual temple itself.
So we're partway through our tour of the Grand Circuit at Angkor Wat, and it's been absolutely fantastic. We've paid a little bit more for a driver, just based on some recommendations that we found, but he's taken us to some absolute gems. Completely quiet, where we've been able to get really great photos, and he's also done some really great photos for us. So his name is Voleak, and I'll leave all of his information down below. It's not a sponsored post or anything, it's just a really great recommendation. We've actually booked him for 2 days, so we'll be doing the small circuit with him tomorrow. So right now we're at the temple, and it's most significant because it's believed that these waters had healing powers.
This Buddhist temple sits on an artificial island, and it was originally thought that bathing in the waters would promote spiritual and physical healing.
At several temples, as well as in Siem Reap itself, you'll find musicians who have been affected by landmines in Cambodia. They raise money playing traditional music. If you do take photos or video all the time to enjoy the music, please leave some money to help support them. One of the highlights of the day, Ta Som, is a small but beautiful and photogenic temple. It's a short walk from the road, but you're very quickly transported to another world. Similar to Ta Prom or the Tomb Raider temple, covered in our next video, this temple is overgrown with trees, but without the crowds.
Another favourite of ours, the East Mebon Temple, is a step pyramid featuring elephants and lion stone statues.
So we're at our final temple of our tour. So even though we're here in February, definitely do not underestimate how hot it can get, especially when you're in the sun. So Matt has very enthusiastically climbed up here, and I'm just waiting for him. And then we're about to go to Preah Dak to try some traditional food.
For our final stop of the day, Voleak took us to the village of Preah Dak. This spot is very popular with tourists and locals alike, known for their roasted pork and palm cakes. But I will say the food didn't disappoint. We paid 40,000 Rial for all this food, which is more than enough for the three of us. It was delicious and filling, and exactly what we wanted at the end of a long day.
So these are called palm cakes. They're a steamed cake made of, I'm pretty sure, palm sugar, palm fruit, coconut, and maybe sticky rice, as well as coconut cream. And they're steamed, wrapped in banana leaves. They were really cheap. I think they were 1,000 Rial each, so about 25 cents. And inside, they're full of this coconut cream, which is really tasty. They also give you like the coconut meat to add to it as well. It's quite a tasty treat. Like a little cupcake.
We absolutely loved today. His website is a little out of date, but we paid $30 for the day. We did this suggested itinerary and added our lunch stop. Keep in mind, we did ask him to specifically focus on some great photo spots, but Voleak went above and beyond as our own private photographer as well.
You've got a good eye, you know all the angles.
Yeah.
His timing was fantastic to get us to some great places with gorgeous lighting, with little to no people. And although he's not an official guide, he did give us a quick overview of each temple. All of his details are in the description below.
We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please give us a like and subscribe, and make sure you join us for our next video for our second day at Angkor Wat.